Hello guys, Edwin here. So the Sahara SIWA public testnet is now live, and so we are going to be testing out the Sahara AI new testnet. We are currently on the Sahara Desert Quest, which we claim are shards daily. I hope you are still doing it. If you are not on that testnet, I'll be leaving the link in the description below. Okay, make sure you do join it. That one is also free. So SIWA is our public testnet for decentralized AI development and the first real step toward an AI-driven future that's open, equitable, and accessible to all. So, Sahara Labs raised a total of 49 million, and Sahara Labs is a decentralized AI network offering Sahara knowledge agents and Sahara data. It enables the creation of customized autonomous AI agents compensating contributors directly and utilizing blockchain to track data and report in a privacy-preserving manner. Okay, so they have raised a total of 49 million, and these are their backers. Yazi Labs is Binance Labs. So Pantera, Polychain Capital. You can see Samsung Next. Okay, they have Sequoia also backing them. Top investors and backers right here. So um the SIWA testnet is currently live and we can test out the platform to get rewarded. Potential rewards, okay, you don't um, most of the time rewards are tied to this, so we should surely be getting some kind of rewards. Okay, so what you have to do is claim the facet first. I'm going to be leaving all the links in the description below. Make sure you check it out. So what you have to do is claim facet. These are testnet tokens. Okay, they are not real money and they are just for testing purposes. So claim your facets right here. When you get here, connect your MetaMask wallet, your OKX wallet, Rabi wallet, or Ethereum wallet, and request for some testnet tokens. Right after doing that, head over to the developer platform, connect your wallet, click profile. So after filling in your profile, make sure you filled in everything. You verify your email, your name, you upload a profile picture, and you are good to go. So right after doing that, click on main. Okay, you can see this ones haven't been opened yet. It's only the register AI asset that's currently open. So click on go. Okay, let's give our asset any name. Okay, text, language. I want it to be in English. Let's create a new folder. I want to give my folder Edwin. Click on save. Okay, I want to use this folder right here. Okay, so right after doing this, you need to upload any file. Okay, you can upload a CSV file, a JSON file, or a text file. If you don't have a text file, go ahead and open Notepad. You can open Notepad and type anything right in there. Okay, go to your PC. If you're on phone, just create any text file and upload any file you have. Okay, you can upload a JSON file, a TXT file, but make sure you create a text file. You can go ahead and open your notepad, type anything in your notepad and click save. Okay, you save it as a text file and come back right here, click on this and upload any random file on your PC. So right after selecting your file, click on upload. Okay, let's go ahead and register our assets. Make sure you claim your facet. You see the facet you claim right here. This is it. Now confirm the transaction in your wallet. Okay, we have successfully minted our NFT and you can go ahead and check right here. Okay, you can check right here. That's all for now. Make sure you join my Telegram channel for more updates. When these go live, I'll be uploading it inside my Telegram channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Comment below if you face any issues. Peace.